Your well-being begins the moment you decide not to let another person or thing rule your emotions. Today, we will discuss the healing power of meditation, how it helps bring about overall wellness. Such simplistic techniques as clarity of thoughts, better physical well-being, and so on, everything falls in between these techniques that aim at cultivating harmony, peace, and joy within you. Find a comfortable spot, breathe deep, and let us begin this journey together. First of all, let's get you comfortable. Find a place quiet enough that you could sit without distractions and have a seat. Plant your feet firmly on the ground. We want them uncrossed so you feel balanced and stable. Rest your hands on your lap, palms upward, which can be a place of openness and receptiveness for you. If you have a backrest available, sit back slightly so that your back is supported and your spine stretches straight but relaxed. This will keep you in control while meditating. You have settled now. Slowly close your eyes. This simple act helps block out visual distractions and turns your attention to within. Take a moment to notice how your body feels in this position. Has any one of you found areas of tension? Breathe in, pretending you're sending that breath to those areas of tension and letting all tension leave as you exhale. Sink deeper into relaxation with each breath, opening up a calm space inside where you can explore the benefits of meditation for good health. Remember, the aim here is not to try and control your thoughts, but rather to watch them as they come and go without judgment, creating a nice climate in your head and body. Let's take a minute or two now, really focusing on how we're breathing at this moment. Most of the time, when we breathe, we don't think about it. But when we focus our awareness on our breath, we can create this sense of calm and relaxation. If you can, breathe a little slower. Take in a breath for a count of 4, hold it for a count of 2, and exhale slowly for a count of 6. Such a simple exercise can possibly decrease the breath rate from about 14 per minute to about 8 and settle a peaceful state of mind within yourself. Slowing down the breath not only is a way of relaxation, but is also a very important health factor. As our breathing slows down and deepens, this stimulates the vagus nerve that has an important role in healing and even plays a moderating role on how our body responds to stress. The stimulating of the nerves acts to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which controls rest and digestion. Heart rate and blood pressure will decrease due to this, while one is left with the feeling of centeredness and balance. Continue for the next few minutes on this breath pattern. Pay attention to how your body lets go with every exhale. As we continue to work on this technique over time, we can begin to come closer to our bodies and minds. Eventually, focusing on our breathing can become an effective tool to control our stress and anxiety. It helps us feel really present in the moment, letting go of the frenzy of a really busy life. If your mind wanders during this practice, gently pull it back to your breath without judgment. That return is very much part of meditation and actually increases the ability to concentrate. Integration of breath-focused meditation into your daily routine will bring lasting improvements in your psychological and physical well-being. You will be making a pretty profound difference, whether you spend minutes a day or longer stretches when it's possible. You may sleep better and have more energy, with less stress as you turn this into a habit of daily life. So let's grab a few of these moments in space with me to breathe as deeply as we can into the serenity mindful meditation brings. Now that we have taken a minute to attend to our breath, let's gently bring our awareness to our bodies. This phase of meditation asks that we notice what's going on in our bodies in this moment. Begin by focusing on those parts of your body that feel uncomfortable, tense, or even just slightly alive. Just pay attention to these sensations. This practice will help us to be more attentive to how the body tells us things, so we can have a greater knowledge of our state physically. Now you've tagged those sensations. Now let's move your attention away from them and into those parts of the body where you feel nothing whatsoever. It might be in your arms, your legs, or even your torso. Alternating between focusing on the sensations and moving your attention back to places without any sensations, you build a dynamic experience of awareness. In this practice, you may note that the sensations appear like islands in a great ocean of awareness. As you focus on the sensations, they stand out, but when you move your attention to another area, they seem to recede into the background. This to and fro movement may be not only soothing but enlightening. Continue to do this exercise, shifting between sensation and no sensation. This practice is not only useful in teaching us the pattern of how sensations arise and subside, but teaches us something fundamental about what awareness is itself. We find ourselves caught up in all types of discomfort or pain, but by using this exercise, we learn that those sensations are transitory. They come and go based on what we're concentrated on. Now let's imagine these discomforting feelings slowly dissolving into that ocean of consciousness. Imagine them dissolving like ice in warm water, growing lighter and less important as they dissolve into the expanse surrounding them. This can be a profoundly powerful visualization. It makes us feel released and relaxed, free to surrender what no longer serves us. As we do this practice of coming back to and observing it, over time our relationship to this sensation can change. We may not be overwhelmed by it anymore. Instead, we may even be able to observe with some curiosity and compassion. This is a way in which we may be able to be more resilient emotionally and peaceful. So let's take these moments to treat our bodies with love and awareness. As we embrace these sensations, which emerge together with acknowledgement of what lies beyond them, the stillness. The awareness itself is healing, connecting you to spirit and consciousness. Mindfulness creates a bridge between sensations in the body and a deeper place within self. Continue this practice for another minute. As you feel sensations in your body, remember to gently drift back into that great ocean of non-sensation. This is the kind of flow in and out of attention that would help a person be balanced and in the moment, reminding him or herself that discomfort and tranquility are part of the adventure. Now let's focus on this very special place inside of us, our heart center. Here we can sow positive intentions to nourish our spirit and raise up our emotions. Take a little time now to imagine your heart, the physical organ, and the emotional essence it is. Here we will present 4 potent intentions: peace, harmony, laughter, and love. Words carry energy and power for converting our mindset when we really connect ourselves with them. Let's repeat these intentions out loud in our minds. Peace, harmony, laughter, love. As you recite a few of these phrases, keep your focus on your heart center. Imagine the sound, word after word, radiating warmth and light into your heart. Do this so that each repetition brings greater warmth and light to fill your heart with good feelings. With each repetition, recognize how these intentions will resound within you and bring joy and satisfaction. This practice, though a means to developing positive emotions, also strengthens our connections with ourselves and those around us. By working with these intentions each day, we can invite a greater sense of peace and love into our lives. This simple yet profoundly transformational exercise is an encouragement to build and strive toward an inner landscape that is positive, inviting us to face life's problems with ease and strength. We begin to tap a source of healing at all levels: physical, emotional, and spiritual, by accessing the heart center through awareness and intention. So let us bathe in these moments with the glow of positive intent, letting it fill us like the gentle, shimmering light that nurtures our very being. Now is the time to really settle into your body. Allow complete relaxation and just be with this present moment. Let go of all lingering thoughts and distractions. Let's just be in the here and now. It's a beautiful opportunity to embrace the stillness within, feeling this gentle rise and fall of your breath as you settle into a state of calm awareness. Take your time as you steep in this moment. When you feel the right time has come, you can slowly open your eyes. Allow the light and the surroundings to come into focus, carrying the sense of tranquility you have cultivated with you. Remember that this state of awareness is always available to you. So go back there whenever you need to take a little piece of calm with you during your day. Thank you very much for joining us all today. Please remember that meditation is a wonderful tool for nurturing health and well-being. Thanks a million for participating in this session. If this is helpful, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your loved ones so they can also be a part of this mindful meditation. Take care.